Endometriosis is a common medical condition that can cause serious pain and infertility in women, but early diagnosis can effectively treat this dreaded condition. Shamala Pullen tells us more in the health report.
Endometriosis is an inflammatory condition in which the lining of the uterus grows outside the uterine cavity, such as on the bowel, the bladder, or the lining of the uterus and ovaries. The condition affects at least 10% of the female population in Jamaica.
But it may be higher because, there's some women who have no symptoms and it may be picked up just on pelvic surgery for some other cause. But in women who have fertility challenges, it may be found in up to 50%. Some studies report even 80% of women with infertility are found to have endometriosis. And in women being evaluated for chronic pelvic pain, we may find endometriosis in about 20 or more percent of these women.
The cause is unknown. The primary symptom of endometriosis is pelvic pain, often associated with menstrual periods.
One of the common symptoms is pain during the menses or before the menses, which can be quite normal for some women to experience some amount of pain with the menses. But if the pain is severe, then this should not be ignored. So this should really be checked out. This might not be normal. Some women may think their symptoms are just in a part of the normal bodily functioning. And also pain during sex, some women may think it's normal as well, and it isn't, right? So this should also be evaluated. So women may have symptoms that go untreated or unrecognized for years, and over time, the condition could be getting worse.
One of the main complications from endometriosis is infertility. It is also linked to some types of ovarian cancers. Unfortunately, the condition cannot be prevented, but treatment in the form of medication, hormonal agents, and surgery, especially for women who are trying to get pregnant, are available.
There are things that we can do, medications that we can do to slow down the progress of endometriosis. So the hormonal therapies, like the simple birth control pill or hormonal injections, can be used to reduce the number of cycles, monthly cycles. So with less bleeding, with less menses, then there'll be less progression or slowed progression of the endometriosis.
Endometriosis can be a challenging condition to manage, so it's important to seek medical attention if you're experiencing symptoms. With your health report, I'm Shamala Pullen wishing you good health.